As the number of coronavirus cases continues to rise across the country, people are stepping up to do their part to help combat the pandemic. Here in Washington, D.C., nearly 70 volunteers showed up at this armory to join the Medical Reserve Corps.
So we have partnered with the Department of Health to facilitate training of layperson as well as other clinical professionals that are volunteering for citywide testing during the COVID-19 outbreaks.
Caitlin Ward is a part of the nation's first Physician Assistance Fellowship in EMS Disaster and Operational Medicine. She is training this group of nurses, National Guard members, doctors, and EMTs. David Aladay-Joby is one of those students.
They are training us to properly gown, properly be fitted for a mask. And these are experts. These are people who've been doing this for years and years. They don't have it. They go out. So I feel like as long as we have the proper training and we apply that, there's nothing that we should be scared of.
I think teaching people who, if this isn't their day-to-day, teaching them that they are capable. You know, like particularly with these swabs, you're getting all in someone's nose, that's awkward. We don't go around like, picking each other's noses from day to day. So I think just breaking down that barrier of like, it's okay, relax, you too can do this, we will show you how.
Aladay-Joby says after the mayor's office announced the need for helping hands, he had to answer that call.
I've been a DC resident my whole life, and they said they need volunteers, and this is the time where I just feel like this is the time where community just need to come together.
For Ward, she says showing others testing techniques or the appropriate way to wear and remove protective gear is her way of giving back.
So even if you're not a doctor, if you're not a PA, you're still the first person who can, to respond to some of these incidents. You're the first person to see your neighbor in distress, the first person to recognize, oh, that person might be having problems. So the more you know and the more you're educated, the better you can help serve yourself, serve your community.
Neither teacher nor student are concerned they will get the coronavirus because they say they will take all the proper precautions to keep themselves and their patients safe.
I'm not getting COVID-19, so I'm not worried about it. So I'm not getting swabbed.
Therese Garnier, Newsy, Washington.